Hey guys, Jay here with Word of Advice TV, and in this video I'll be going over the most common reason why garbage disposals fail, along with 4 other maintenance and prevention tips. So let's start with number 1, the most common reason why garbage disposals die, and that is simply because they don't get used. Really, it's recommended to be using them every couple of days. If you don't use a garbage disposal for a long time, the blades on it, they start to rust and get stuck. And after not being used for a long time, the next time somebody turns it on, it might just sit there and hum and fail to start. So if you have a garbage disposal that you wish to keep alive, make sure you exercise it every couple of days. Moving on to number 2. Always have cold or warm water running, never hot, while the disposal is operating. That way, all the stuff that is chopping and grinding up will go down the drain instead of staying in the garbage disposal. Number 3. Don't throw hard leftovers into the garbage disposal. It is not meant to replace the trash can. So things like rubber, plastic, paper, metal should not be going in there. Or some other hard items such as eggshells, seafood shells, the nuts from fruits, or some bones, you don't want to be putting down there either. If possible, keep the things that you throw in there small, chopped up, and softer. The hardest thing you should be throwing in there are probably ice cubes. Number 4, if you have bad odors coming out of the garbage disposal, what you could do is throw some lemons, chopped up, or some oranges into the drain, or if you have some leftover peels of oranges or lemons, you can throw them all in there, and with some water running, run the garbage disposal. Not only will that give you a nice lemony smell, those peels also have citric acid in them, which is antibacterial. So not only does it give you a good smell, it also disinfects the disposal while it's at it. And number 5, every once in a while you should sharpen the blades in your garbage disposal by putting some ice cubes down the drain. And if you would like to do a deep clean while you're at it, along with the ice cubes, you could also add half a cup of baking soda and about a cup of vinegar. And then you open the water and run the garbage disposal. Not only is that ice gonna sharpen the blades, it's also gonna take any of the gunk off the walls of the garbage disposal. And if you're adding vinegar and baking soda to the mix, that will also clean it up nice and good. And before I wrap it up, I got one last tip. I've went to quite a few dishwasher service calls where the dishwasher was not draining, and the reason for that was actually the garbage disposal. One of the questions I like to ask right in the beginning, if a dishwasher is not draining, I ask the homeowner, did you replace the garbage disposal recently? If the answer is yes, then almost guaranteed that that is the problem. Most of the new garbage disposals will come with a knockout plug that needs to be knocked out before you hook up that dishwasher hose to it. And a lot of people forget to do that. And the next time they run their dishwasher, well, it doesn't drain. So if you come across a dishwasher that is not draining, that is a good thing to check first. Well guys, and that is all I had for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have some disposal tips of your own that I did not mention in this video, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to mash that like button on the way out, and I'll see you next time. And if you're still here and not in the comments section below, I got a dad joke for you. What happens when you touch Dwayne Johnson's butt? You hit rock bottom. And just in case you don't know who The Rock is, let me give you another one. If a woman says that she will be ready in 15 minutes, she will be. There's no need to remind her every half an hour.